Hello and welcome for the first episode of Over the Wire series. Here we are going to learn how to solve the puzzle on the Over the Wire Bandits area, and I hope that you will enjoy it as much as I did. Now we are starting to tackle the over-the-wire Bandit games or challenges, let's say. And we can go to Google and just type down over the wire. And then we have this site. And the reason that we choose the Bandits, because it's basics. It's in order to learn Linux and simple and basic commands in order to know how to use Linux in a better way. So basically we went to their site, and now it's a little explanation of how Bandit works. And this is like it explained that it has levels, as you can see, and each level contains the password for the next level. So let's just dive in. As you can see, I have pressed level 0. And the first command that we need to know is called SSH, and it's a secured shell. In order to log into that area or that computer or that puzzle or that war game, we need first to connect to it. So this is the first command. Let's do it together. Okay, so it's SSH, the command, and then the username, it's Bandit0, and there's this @ it's called bandit.labs.overthewire.org. Now this part over here is the IP that we need to log into that computer. So basically this is obviously not an IP, but it represents an IP. So this is the site. If we have typed the site's IP, it's the same thing, but we are sticking with traditional here. And then after the SSH, the username, the @ and the IP, we need to input a port. Which port? And it's represented by the letter P. So according to their site, let's just check it out here. According to their site, the host to which you need to connect is banditlabs.overthewire.org. That's the IP. That's the host, the machine that we are trying to connect on port 2220. That's what we have done. The username is Bandit0, and the password is Bandit0 as well. So let's press enter here. And as you can see, it asks for a password, and it's BANDIT0. The reason that Linux doesn't show the password because this is how it works. It doesn't show you even letters or stars or anything. So it have received the input, and as you can see, now we are logged in. This is our command, and after its password, you can see that we are inside the host machine. So basically, now I'll type in Ctrl-L to clear the screen, and here we have the first command that we are using. It's called ls. I like to make it the -L to make it as a list. It's better for me to use it, but you can use it as well without the -L. And here we have a README file. Now we want to check what it contains. So I will use the cat command, and the README file. This is the file. This is the only file. After we have typed enter, now we have the password for the next level. So it's Control-Shift-C to copy, and now we are exiting the machine, and as you can see, it's logout, connection to Bandit, closed, and we are here with our machine. It's my machine. It's called Kratos, their God of War. So this was Bandit 0 level. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.